Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming power and software. Make sure your AirPods case is at least half charged and the lid is open, and that your HP laptop's Bluetooth is enabled in Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices. Once done, set the AirPods into pairing mode by holding the small button on the case until the LED blinks white. This tells your laptop the device is discoverable. Make sure you're near the laptop and nothing else is actively connected to the AirPods to avoid automatic reconnection. You now add the device on the HP. Open Settings, Bluetooth, and Devices, click Add Device, then choose Bluetooth. As soon as the AirPods appear, they'll show as AirPods or your name's AirPods. Click it to start pairing. Windows will show a small status while establishing profiles for audio and microphone. If a PIN is requested, accept defaults or enter 0000. Typically none is needed. Once connected, the laptop creates two audio profiles, so make sure the output switch. To finish, open Sound Settings and set the AirPods as the default playback, and if required, recording device so apps use them. If they fail to connect, reset by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then retry pairing. This clears stubborn pairings. If problems persist, update or reinstall the laptop's Bluetooth driver via Device Manager and restart Bluetooth on both devices. This often resolves driver or profile mismatch issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.